Hi dear student, how are you? I'm Mrs. Rani. Today our lesson is ratio among three numbers. We have studied before how to simplify a ratio with two terms. Today I will explain to you how to simplify a ratio with three terms. It's the same way, exactly the same way of simplifying a ratio of two terms. Let's start. Example 1. Quarter 2, 2 over 5 to 2 over 3. Do you remember? I said before, take all the denominator, put it up to the fraction. All the fractions. So each fraction will have a box with 4 by 5 by 3. Okay? After that, cancel the repeated number in each fraction. So the first fraction, we will cancel the 4. Second fraction, we will cancel the 5. Third fraction, we will cancel the 3. Now multiply the numbers in each fraction individually. It will be 5 by 3 by 1, 15. Second fraction, 4 by 3 by 2, it will be 24. Third fraction, 4 by 5 by 2, it will be 40. So our ratio will be 15 to 24 to 40. Are these numbers divisible by same divisor? No. So it's in its simplest form. Letter B. Quarter to 1 1/3 to 2 5ths. First, take the mixed number and convert it to become an improper fraction. It will be quarter to 4 over 3 to 2 over 5. Again, put our boxes. Each box will have 4 by 3 by 5. Now start to cancel from up and down. Cancel in the first fraction 4 up and down. Second fraction cancel 3 up and down. Third fraction cancel 5 up and down. Now start to multiply. First fraction will be 3 by 5 by 1, 15. Second fraction 4 by 5 by 4, it will be 80. Third fraction will be 4 by 3 by 2, 24. So our ratio will be 15 to 80 to 24, and this ratio in its simplest form. Letter C, 2.4 to 1.8 to 3. Here I have two numbers, each of them are decimal number. Okay, count. Each number has how many decimal digits? Just one. So I'll multiply by 10. Multiply the three terms. So it will become 24 to 18 to 30. I know 3 was a whole number, but I must multiply it by 10. Now, simplified, it will be 4 to 3 to 5. Okay, 3/4 to 1.5 to half. First, convert the fraction to become a decimal. It's more easy, that's all. So it will be 0.75 to 1.5 to 0.5. Here I have two decimal number, one decimal number, one decimal number. I'll choose the biggest one, two decimal number. So I'll multiply the three terms by 100. Okay, I must choose the biggest number. I must. So it will be 75 to 150 to 50. All of them are divisible by 5. So will be 15 to 30 to 10. Simplify it again. 3 to 5 to 6 to 2. The last ratio will be 3 to 6 to 2. Another example. If the ratio among the measures of the angles of a triangle is 5 to 6 to 7, of course I have 3 angles, so I have 3 ratios. And the measure of the first angle is 50 degrees. Find the measure of the other angles. Okay, first line is name, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Second line is ratio, it's 5 to 6 to 7. Third line, real number or value, whatever you want. Okay. Okay, I'll put the 50 degree under the first angle. Why? Because the 50 degree is the value of the first angle, so it must be under it. Now I have a complete column, 5 and 50 degree under the first angle. Now start to solve the other two angles. Angle 2 will be 50 by 6 over 5 equals 60 degree. Angle 3 will be 50 by 7 over 5 equal 70 degree. If you want to check your answer, you just add them. 50 plus 60 plus 70, it will be 180 degree exactly. Okay, let's go to another example. If the ratio between the age of Huda, Mona and Ola is 2 to 4 to 5, and if the difference between the age of Huda and that of Mona is 8 years, calculate the age of each of Huda, Mona and Ola. Okay, first take care. Here I have difference. Okay, difference between who? Difference between Huda and Mona. If I have 3 ratios, take care the difference will be between just 2 of them, not all of them. Take care, difference will be between just 2 of them. Okay, first line will be Huda, Mona, Ola and difference. Ratio will be 2 to 4 to 5. Values, I don't know any value except the 8 which will be under the difference. Here we said the difference between what? Huda and Mona. So subtract 4 minus 2, it will be 2. I'll put it at the difference on the same line with ratio. Now I have the complete column 2 and 8. Start to solve your problem. Huda will be 2 by 8 over 2 equal 8 years. Mona equal 4 by 8 over 2 equals 16 years. Ola equal 5 by 8 over 2 equal 20 years. Another example. The ratio between the length and the width of a rectangle is 9 to 5. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 56, find the length and the width of the rectangle. Then calculate its area. Notice, the word perimeter, it means sum. To calculate here the sum, to bring the sum, to use it, you have to divide the perimeter of the rectangle by 2. Why? Why we should divide it by 2? Because the rule of the perimeter is length plus width multiplied by 2. But I want length plus width only, so I must divide by 2 to cancel these 2. Now I have the sum. So first line, length to width to sum. Second line, ratio 9 to 5. Third line, value. The sum here is 28. So add 9 to 5, it will be 14. I have here a complete column, 14 over 28. Start to solve your problem. Length equal 9 by 28 over 14 equal 18 meter. Width equal 5 by 28 over 14 equal 10 meters. But I don't want length or width. I want the area. Remember, area of rectangle equal length by width. So it will be 18 by 10 equal 180 meters square. Now try by yourself. If the ratio between the height of 3 buildings is 3 to 4 to 5, and if the height of the first building is 12 meters, calculate the height of the second and the third building. First, second, third. The second line is ratio 3, 4, 5. The last line is value. It's 12. I have a complete column 3 and 12. Start to multiply and divide. Solve your problem. The second building will be 12 by 4 divided by 3. It will be 16 meters. Third building will be 12 by 5 divide 3, it will be 20 meters. Now I have a new kind of ratio, or we could say just a new case of ratio, combining ratio. Here, find each of the following. If A to B equal 3 to 4 and A to C equal 4 to 5, find A to B to C. Here I have how many variables? A, B, and C. So I must have these three variables in my ratio. I'll put it in order, A to B to C. My first line will be the first ratio, which is 3 to 4. But take care, it must be in its order. It was A to B, so the 3 to 4 must be under A to B. Okay? Second line will be the second ratio. It was A to C equal 4 to 5. So the A must have the 4 and the C must have the 5. So my ratio, it will be 4 to a missing number to 5. Okay? Now, I have a complete column, 3 to 4 under the A. Just drag this number in its line. For example, the 3, drag it under the C. And the 4, drag it under the B. That's all. Now we have all the missing number. Start to multiply from up to down. And that's all. 3 by 4, it will be 12. 4 by 4, 16. 3 by 5, 15. So my ratio A to B to C will be 12 to 16 to 15. Another example, if A over B equal 9 over 8 and A over C equals 6 over 5, find A to C only. Okay, first I have how many variables here? A to B to C. So I must have in the line of the names A to B to C. Now put our fraction, which means a ratio, another kind or another form of ratios, under its variables. So A will be 9. The 9 will be under the A. The 8 will be under the B. The second line, 6 will be under the A. 5 will be under the C. Okay? Where is my complete column here? It's 9 over 6. 9 and 6. This is my complete column. Drag it in the missing parts. The 9 will be under the C, 6 will be under the B. Start to multiply from up to down. 9 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 15. And simplify them. It will be 12 to 16 to 15. But I don't want A to B to C. I just want A to C only. So A to C will be 12 to 15. Take care. Here 12 to 15 are divisible by 3. So I'll divide them by 3. The final answer will be 4 to 3. So A to C equal 4 to 3. Now I want you to test yourself. Try it. If Ashraf has 3/4 of Ayman's money and Muhab has 2/5 of Ayman's money, find the ratio of Ashraf's, Ayman's, Muhab's money. I have three names. It will be Ashraf, Ayman, Muhab. Our first ratio is 3 over 4, which means 3 to 4. Our second ratio is 2 over 5. But take care. Here, Muhab to Ayman. Muhab to Ayman. So Muhab must take the 2 and Ayman must take the 5. So it will be 5 to 2. Okay? Don't put it, don't mix it, because I said Muhab firstly. So Muhab will take the 2. After that Ayman will take the 5. Don't mix them. Now I have the complete column, which is Ayman's column. So it will be 4 and 5. Drag 4 and 5. So Muhab will be 4, Ashraf will be 5. Start to multiply from up and down. 3 by 5 is 15, 4 by 5 20, 4 by 2 8. My last ratio is 15 to 20 to 8. You got it? Okay. Thank you all. See you soon. Thank you.